So here we are going to talk about abstract equality and strict equality. In abstract equality, the comparison is made. So when you define a variable, we don't explicitly define its data type, but we write like a variable, whether it's equivalent to string or number or boolean. So while comparing two values, one is the one thing is abstract equality, means comparison is made between two values, not its data type. And on the other hand, in strict equality, comparison is made between the values as well as the data type. So now let us go to our script and run the code. So I have already got previous codes running, and let number equals to 25 and let string number. So one is a string and the other is a number. So if we console log type of number, and if you console log type of string number, so if we console log the type of number, and let's see what are the things we get, or what is the output we get. Okay, so now you can see one is a number and the other is a string. Now if you compare both of these, console log number double, that is abstract equality, comparison using abstract equality. So, and if you run this script, okay, sorry, it should be number double equals to string number. I keep making these typos and these are a bit frustrating, I know, but, and if you run this script, okay, we see it gives us true. So the value is equivalent but the data type is not equivalent. Okay, and on the other hand, if comparison is made using strict equality, that is triple equals to, here the data type is also compared along with the value. And now if you run this script, okay, we see it's false, so it's not true. And on the other hand, if we do something like this, so now you guys are very much clear that one is a string and the other is a number. So if we compare the number and the string using abstract equality, we get true, whereas the value is same but the data type is different. One is a string and the other is an integer. On the other hand, while we do comparison using strict equality, the values are compared along with the data types. So if we do something like this, if we convert this string to a number and compare this, something like this, using parse int console log number double equals to parse int string number, now we will see this will be equivalent to true because the string is converted to a number. Yes, so you see here the string here is converted to a number, and now if you compare the number to this using double equals, it will give us true. Sorry, if we even used triple equals to, it would give us true, because the string has been converted to a number. Yeah. So I guess you're very much clear with abstract equality and strict equality, and I hope you guys won't be having any problems. So that's very much it, and thank you. Hopefully in the next tutorial we'll discuss about null, undefined, and not a number. So this is very much it as of now.